Yep. Within a 45-minute awesome I just wanna hang out with my dog t-shirt drive. There are only like 10 mental health. Awesome I just wanna hang out with my dog t-shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie. Hoodie, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck. 1 year experience. And awesome I just wanna hang out with my dog t-shirts. A bogus state certificate paying $30,000. In a similar, other products. Good Grinch they hate us because they ain't us Eagles. Philadelphia V-neck. One of the standout features of the Good Grinch they hate us because they ain't us Eagles Philadelphia t-shirt is its playful and bold design. The image of the Grinch, with his trademark smirk, immediately draws attention and sets the tone for the shirt's message. The addition of the Eagles logo or colors in the design further connects this holiday-themed t-shirt to the fans of Philadelphia's beloved team. It's a creative way to blend pop culture with sports enthusiasm, making it a great conversation starter and a fun piece of apparel to wear to games or holiday gatherings. This t-shirt is proudly made in the United States, ensuring that it meets high standards of craftsmanship and quality. We believe in supporting local industries and offering our customers a product that reflects the best of American manufacturing. Each t-shirt is carefully made to provide long-lasting comfort and durability, so you can confidently wear it season after season. By choosing a product made in the USA, you're not only getting a superior t-shirt but also contributing to local economies and communities. Other product.